This is called God Speaks to the American People About the Man They Elected President. Remember, there is a little bit of him in every one of you. Indeed, I begat him from your whores of industry and commerce, where he was conceived in a womb of affluence and grew in an amniotic sac of indifference to those less fortunate than he. Presently, he has evolved into everything I could have ever imagined, here, now, among you, manifest in fattened flesh and hair product. In the beginning, I envisioned him the great metaphor of the human species, a burnt orange emblem mounted on its hood of destruction, and a patron saint for all your tribal afflictions, like the compulsive need of enemies and their scalps, your brooding self-worship, your incestuous cultural intrigue, and the paradox of you being able to create a brilliant symbol, but then being unable to distinguish it from what it symbolizes. In the print shop, your man sets the type for the counterfeiters of history, and on the battlefield, he is the absent platoon leader of the jingoists and knee-jerkers, the sock counters, the masked torturers who wield your flag. Obsessive, neurotic, fixated, compulsive, irrational, myopic, and sociopathic. I bred him for his bulk, for his squint, his contorted lip, and his deformed little hands, and also for his taste, which is found right there in his profane mouth. Embrace him as the Christ that you so covet. He is yours to be your Redeemer as you see fit. I made him in your own image, not mine.